guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. After that, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Duolingo app and you click. Here in this page, you will enter or you will click on the app of you will click on the sign of first stop, then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go just on to Play Store. You can search about Duolingo and you can update your app here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.